Good evening, everyone. I come to you tonight to share a highly anticipated video or video footage, should I say, of Shanann Watts caught by her doorbell cam. And this footage shows her on August 13th walking up to her front door after being dropped off by her best friend, Nikki. And it is the last known footage of any kind of her alive. Because if you follow this case and you know what's happened, once she walks through those doors, she is murdered by her husband, and also her beautiful children are murdered as well as the baby growing in her stomach, Nico. So Shanann, Bella, CeCe, and Nico were slaughtered by Chris Watts on August 13th. But this video footage, it's very crucial to this case, and it's something that in the crime community we have wondered and have been anxious to see, as morbid as it sounds. But nothing can prepare you for what you will see and what it will do to your heart, because it will break it. But it's crucial evidence. So without further ado, let's watch this video and stick around, because I do have a picture slideshow at the end of these precious girls and their beautiful mom, Shanann, and Nico as well, in a celebration and in memory to keep their legacy and their memory alive. So stay tuned for that. And thank you for joining. And let's get to it. Okay, guys. So here is the footage of Shanann walking up to her door as caught by her doorbell cam. And as you can see, her friend Nikki has dropped her off, and like a good friend, she waits until she sees her friend Shanann enter her home. Unfortunately, the threat was not on the outside of the house. It was waiting for her in the inside of the house, and the threat was Chris. So you can also tell that Shanann is visibly pregnant. And although this video was of great anticipation, if you will, for followers of this case like myself, it's just haunting and heartbreaking, and it's just something you can't prepare yourself to see. But it's just so tragic to know that, you know, she comes back from a business trip from over the weekend from Arizona for her company, Lavelle, and she's walking up to her door right now. She kind of almost has this, oh, I'm home. I can't wait to see my babies. I'm tired. Can't wait to see Chris. And little did she know that once she walked through those doors, she would never come back out alive. And it's just, I still have a hard time wrapping my head around it. But, you know, she has no idea what she's walking into. And once she walks through those doors, Chris Watts kills her and Bella and CeCe, and of course Nico, who she was 15 weeks pregnant with. It's just heartbreaking, and I am glad that the Weld County DA released this video. It's hard to watch, but it's also crucial evidence, and it's just not very many cases have. I think that's one of the things that have made this case so I don't know, well known and so many people connecting with it is because there's so much video, not only before she dies, like with her Facebook live feeds, but this doorbell cam, literally capturing the last moments of her life before she's murdered by her evil, husband, Chris Watts. But, and also just to see her friend, Nikki, waiting for her. It's heartbreaking. But here, I wanted to just share some pictures of this beautiful, beautiful family. Shanann and her beautiful daughters, Bella and Celeste. She was such a good mom, and these girls were absolutely precious, beautiful little girls. Look at CeCe, just rambunctious, full of life, and these two little girls, sisters, hugging each other, loving each other so much. And to know that they're not alive. They're beautiful. They're precious. It's just nobody can understand this. Look at these beautiful, precious little girls. Shanann was beautiful, and they deserved to live. They deserved to live a long, happy life. You see these pictures and it's love. And this picture is so tragic because it's a video of her saying that her dad's her hero. And then here's a photo that shows her saying that she's pregnant with Nico. And this is the last picture actually on the trip of her belly at 15 weeks. And here are the only images known of Nico. And then here is a tree that has been dedicated in their memory. Rest in peace, you beautiful, beautiful, precious souls.